In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Microsoft Loopback adapter. This virtual network adapter is great for testing, development, and isolating traffic on a single machine without touching your physical network card. You'll want to be on Windows with administrator rights, since we'll be adding a driver and changing adapter settings. Start by opening Device Manager. The quickest way is to right-click the Start button and choose Device Manager from the menu. This opens a list of all the hardware Windows knows about. At the top of Device Manager, open the Action menu and choose Add Legacy Hardware. This launches a setup wizard that lets us install drivers that might not be detected automatically. If Windows asks for permission, confirm to continue. In the wizard, choose the option that says Install the hardware that I manually select from a list, Advanced, then click Next. This tells Windows you'll pick the exact type of device rather than scanning. From the list of common hardware types, select Network Adapters and click Next. On the next screen, pick Microsoft as the manufacturer on the left. On the right, look for Microsoft KM-Test Loopback adapter. In some versions, it may appear as Microsoft Loopback adapter, but KM-Test is the standard name. Select it, click Next through the prompts, and then Finish. Windows will install the virtual adapter and add it to your system. Now let's configure it with a static IP address. Open your network settings and choose Change Adapter options to view network connections. You'll see a new Ethernet-style adapter that represents the loopback device. Right-click that new adapter and select Properties. If you want to keep things organized, you can rename the adapter later so it's easy to recognize in tools and scripts. In the list of items used by the connection, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, then click Properties. Choose Use the following IP address to assign a static address. Enter a private IP that won't conflict with your actual network, for example, something like 10.0.0.1 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Leave the default gateway and DNS fields blank, since this adapter won't route traffic to the internet. This keeps the loopback isolated and predictable for local testing. Click OK to save, then close the remaining dialogues. Your Microsoft Loopback adapter is now installed and configured. You can bind services to that static IP, simulate network scenarios, or use it in development environments where a stable offline interface is required. If you ever need to change the address or temporarily disable it, just return to network connections and adjust the settings the same way.